Officially, I'm coming to the Taichung. Let's see Taichung Automation Show, what they're going to say today.
Hi gentlemen, this is Tony Chen from LB International. We are in Taichung Industry Park. We are making ML like this one. In our factory, we have 40 high-end machines. The machines are from Japan, from Australia, from Switzerland. It has unequal helix and unequal pitch. Okay, when you melt the metal, it will reduce the heat, reduce the vibration. Okay, very useful. We have various sizes over here. For this one, small size, 3 millimeters ML 2 flute. We offer you good quality but cheap price products over here, as you can see. Okay, super.
That's great. Thank you, Tony.
I'm Ray from Refone. Here is our situation room. We also have provided IoT solution as well as ESG solution, equipment status and the real-time value. We also provide the control status and our material, press sticker, and all the production you can see. The SCADA system collect all the PLC data to the gateway. After all the data provided for the boss, he can know how many important data inside, so he can judge what the next step he can do. The most important thing is that our system is customized your own UI page. We can provide the best solution for them to construct their own system. You can find our product at refonetech.com.tw.
I'm Jerry from iCop Technology, the SPC solution, and also we have our CPU Vortex. Here is our touch screen, and we provide the different engines. So let me introduce our product named QEC. It has no screen master, 4.3 inches master, and also the 7 inches master. We have the slave system and a 7 motor controller, and also junction, LCD, and HID. Next is our CNC demo kit. So we can draw our logo, and we use master communication, the HID slave, and a 7 motor controller to control our RC servo.
Where we can buy your product?
Here's our QR code, and you can buy it you want on our eShop. Yeah.
Hello, this is CNC Routers, and we made this machine in Taiwan. We use Italy HSD spindle. It's 14 horsepower. So we can do aluminum, plastic, and composite material. Also the wire from Germany. You can buy a very high quality machine with affordable price. The precision is around 0.02. It's very precise. Other machine is like 0.2. It's 10 times different. Our machine can produce the work piece over 24 hours. Other machine you have to stop. But with our durable machine, you can work the machine like 2 days, 3 days, even a week.
Where we can get your machine after exhibition?
You can Google Li Wei Shepherd King.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, this is my oil filter.
So it's a BYJ precision oil filter machine.
Yeah, this is 30 in here.
So it's a comparison between of a basic filter and the precision filter.
Yeah,
Am I right?
Yeah. 然后我的流程是从这边上来，油靠低压，
压下去。
除了这个 particle， 我可以做到0.1，油里面的水分 water， 我可以把它吸附在这里面。然后这是长纤维的纸张，它可以泡在水里不会腐化，所以它的吸水性也特别好。然后我们的产品得到这个优良产品评鉴证明，这个以后是环保的产品。用完以后污染了以后，这个可以直接丢弃，不需要再请环保公司处理。
That's a great idea. Thank you, Danny.
那你现在看到的是我们的蜜枣包装机，当它加热箱出来的时候，它会去烤那个胶膜，把气抽完之后，这个膜贴于这个纸卡上面是贴得非常紧的。这个机器在国外叫做 Skin Packer。以前我们在做泡壳包装的时候，需要开非常多的模具，产生非常大的成本。所以当这一台在研发出来的时候，它省了非常多的模具费用。我们的贴标机每1分钟可以有60包。当我调整好位置的时候，它的准确度会在1厘米左右。你要做什么样的位置啊，贴在哪边啊，都可以在这个人机界面上面设定。 你看它是1秒钟1包的。
Wow, that's a great idea.
我们是锦艺精密，我们现在最新推出的 APC 500，我们这台的特色就是交换台是4幅驱动的，我们的单边荷重是700公斤。我们最新推出来的 HR 500加 APC 500转台本体是涡感涡轮的结构 TDNC 210 2W， 它这2个转台是用涡感涡轮串联的，同步精度是可以达到很高的。我是用环抱式刹车，所以当你在定角度在加工的时候，或者是你在联动的时候，都可以给予很好的刚性。赫奇的 LV850，它采用比较大行程空间，弓箭比较小，搭配这种比较单臂式的摇篮的转台，角度的切换会比较方便，而且会对贵公司的占地空间会有帮助。
这个是雷射除锈机。
我们雷射有分2种，一种是连续式，一种是脉冲式。脉冲式的话是像这种不会伤你的铁件，如果是漆面的话，它的表面会被它的温度给气化掉。比较厚的金属可以用这种，因为它会有温度。你的物件比较薄的话呢，我们会选择用这种叫脉冲式的雷射，比较不会热变形。
那我们接下来下一站呢，就是我们的雷射焊接机。
雷射比较低成本，速度快，比较不需要技术。这个效果是做鱼鳞焊，它可以做出这种花样，甚至是各种的样式都可以做到。目前使用的雷射是2000瓦的雷射焊接，我们人呢只要手扶着，机器就会自动帮料给送出来。焊完的效果表面会非常的漂亮，可以看一下这个效果。对。